Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to batch import samples of various types to the storage units. Go to the Storage Management module. Click Import Samples from File and select a sample type from the drop-down menu. Select All if your file has samples of multiple types. Select an Import Data template from the list of saved templates, if any. By default, the samples are stored in the storage location specified in your file. Alternatively, you can select your preferred location directly from CloudLIMS. To do so, select the preferred least storage unit in the storage hierarchy, and then tick Selected Storage Location of Application. By default, the option Continue Import to Next Containers in the Hierarchy is selected. If your file has more samples than storage locations available in the selected least storage unit, CloudLIMS continues importing samples to the next containers in the storage hierarchy. Deselect the box if you do not want to continue importing samples to the next containers in the hierarchy. Press Upload File and then choose File. Select an MS Excel or a CSV file. Press Open and then Upload Files. Now press Upload Data. If the file has multiple sheets, you can select a sheet and a row number from which you would like to import sample data. You can also specify the header row number and the text you would like to skip, if any. If you switch to a different sheet in your file, press Reload Attribute Mapping Details to update the attribute mapping details. Now, map the column headers present in your file with the sample attributes present in the mapping window. For automatic attribute mapping, ensure that the attributes present in the column headers exactly match with the attributes present in the mapping window. To save the attribute mapping as a template, press Save as Template. To update an existing template, make the required changes and press Update Template. To delete an existing template, select the template and press Delete Template. Now press Upload Data and then Close. This functionality enables you to seamlessly import and assign storage locations to multiple types of samples you manage in your biobank or laboratory, saving time, effort, and reducing manual errors. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.